Hey, what is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for clicking this video and welcome back to my channel. On this video, I will be giving you an update on my beard journey with minoxidil and without minoxidil, as well as informing you on what this channel is going to be about from now on. Plus, don't think I forgot, I will be announcing the winner of that giveaway I promised you guys last time. I am a man of my word. Okay. Anyways, if you're new to this channel, you're just seeing this video, I grew a beard from zero to this. So if you're interested in that, consider watching my previous videos. And if you like this one as well, consider subscribing. Let's get started. So first of all, it's been almost 2 years since I stopped minoxidil on my beard. And as you guys can see, not a single thing has changed. As a matter of fact, I think it's even gotten stronger. Especially the connectors. So no, I hate to break it to some of you, but I will not be using minoxidil again on my beard. That journey is over. But wait a minute, before you forget about me, I'm finally gonna start uploading consistently. Dude, you've been saying this shit for years. I know that, I heard that, but I'm all set up now. I have everything that I needed. I recovered my Instagram account. I got some proper equipment. I got a better mic. And so if you supported me throughout this journey and I was helpful to you, I encourage you to stay with me. What this channel is going to be all about now is reviews. I'm going to be reviewing a lot of products for general men's care, including but not limited to beard, hair, grooming, or other type of products and services that I find are helpful to me or will be helpful to you. And the best part of all of these reviews is that for the most part, I decided that I want to give back to you guys. I really like the idea of giveaways. So if you haven't subscribed yet, or if you already are, then definitely stay tuned for the giveaways. And since we're already talking about giveaways, here I announce to you our winner. Bam! Thank you so much to all the people that decided to participate in the giveaway. And like I said before, stay tuned for more. Now before I go, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much. Leave a comment in the comment section down below letting me know what kind of product do you want me to review first in my next video. I definitely want to hear your ideas. And this concludes the end of today. Follow me on my social media and don't forget to leave a like on today's video. Peace!